top story that we are following here on India Today is the forceful conversion attempt case that is now being looked at. The ATS is now looking at the investigation probe to ascertain whether there is an international terror network angle also. The Anti-Terrorism Squad, the ATS, started investigation in the case of forcefully converting a Dalit minor girl in Kerala and then pursuing her in jihadi training. ATS officers are interrogating both the accused. They were investigated in Phulpur police station yesterday. ATS is engaged in gathering information about the international radical network connection. ATS officers asked many important questions. There was an attempt to know whether she was in contact with anyone in the state of Kerala also. My colleague Samar Srivastav is now joining me on the story. Samar, this is a big racket which we understand now. The police is investigating. The ATS is also now very closely looking at all the angles.
Well, exactly, Aishwarya. It's just not limited to the Prayagraj or Uttar Pradesh police now. Anti-terrorist squad, that means the UP ATS has also started questioning the accused in this particular case. As we know, the ATS team reached Prayagraj yesterday and interrogated those accused, the Bano and Mohammed Kaif, for around 3 hours. They asked some questions about their relation with the international terror groups, if they have any, or the funding, if they have any, or about the route and how they came in contact with Taj Mohammed. Some other questions were asked from both of them. It took around 3 hours for ATS to complete the interrogation. So as we know that the story is not just linked, it's not just limited to the religious conversion now. It has got extended to the terror outfit links now, and that's why ATS has come in this particular story, in this particular incident, and that's why ATS has also started interrogation along with the Uttar Pradesh police. As per the reports, ATS is also looking for the social media handles of Bano and Mohammed Kaif and also Taj Mohammed to ascertain whether they had some connection with the terror group, they had some link with any terror group. So that's the question, that's the thing, the challenge in front of ATS as well, to find out what was the bigger thing coming in there, because it's not just limited to one girl. There could be many such girls who could have been trapped in this particular theory. Back to you.
Samad, forceful conversion. Now, this is also something that the ATS very closely is looking at, and you rightly pointed out it's not just the state of Uttar Pradesh, but other things also that are now being looked at. The minor girl's testimony has now been accessed. The survivor said she was given religious indoctrination, forced to wear a hijab and to convert. Forceful conversion attempt. Samarth, very clearly we are now seeing the questions that the ATS had asked. We now have some answers that the girl, the minor, gave. And from what we are understanding, this is forceful religious conversion that we are seeing taking place here in our country.
Well, exactly, Aishwarya. As we know that it's the religious conversion thing which is very normal in this particular area of Phulpur, because we know that as per the family of the victim, Bano was a very good friend of that Dalit minor girl, and the family even had no idea that she can backstab her friend, and she took her to one particular area where it was a dinner party, and thereafter they went to station. One Mohammed Kaif came and in a way gave them a ride to the station, and then from station Bano was continuously in contact with the main accused, Taj Mohammed. Taj Mohammed was sending her location. It's evident that Taj Mohammed is also a native of Phulpur of Prayagraj, though he resides in Kerala. And when he got to know that Bano and that particular Dalit girl have been nabbed by the police, Kerala police, he informed Bano to run away from that particular location, to flee from the spot and reach your home. So that itself is evident that there was some conspiracy behind every such move by Taj Mohammed.
Right.
But as we know, 3 teams of Uttar Pradesh police are on hunt of Taj Mohammed, and once Taj Mohammed will be arrested, much theory will be revealed.
Thank you, Samad, giving us all those details. My colleague Samad joining me from the state of Uttar Pradesh, where this interrogation is now taking place between those who have been forcefully converted and the ATS, that is the Anti-Terrorism Squad.